Well, hopefully the mic picks up for us all right. So I'm using the GoPro up in the ceiling. Kind of gives the best shot of up here. So anyway, you guys can see what we're up to tonight. Kind of wanted to discuss a tool with you guys that I think, now you start getting into opinions on tools, you're opening yourself up to a whole lot of fun from people who disagree, but that's why they are opinions and that's why they are your thoughts. So, I'm a big fan of my cordless DeWalt 18 volt jigsaw. It's one of those deals where you don't need it a ton. I don't need it a ton anyway. But boy, when I do need it, it is awful handy to have. The other thing that's kind of nice is DeWalt got smart about their 18 volt tools, and they came out with, most of you probably know if you own DeWalt, they came out with an adapter to go from your 20 volt batteries to 18 volt, which I absolutely love. I'm dragging the phone with me because I can see what we have here, plus battery's pretty low in the GoPro. But anyway, so this is nice and solid. You know what's nice about the GoPro? The damn thing doesn't shake every time you hit something or knock something. I've had a lot of comments on the bounciness of the floor, and the floor is really not all that bouncy, not to walk on it, but that tripod with a, and I do most of my filming with a cell phone, believe it or not, but that tripod mounted with that cell phone picks up every little vibration. I can walk 20 feet away from it, set something down, and it picks it up. It's amazing, amazing what that kind of stuff does. But yeah, you know, I don't do a lot of what I think are some of the handiest tools to own, just because that kind of thing's beat to death so much on YouTube. But once in a while, you know, it bears kind of repeating, or bears kind of showing people what you like to use. And like I said, that little jigsaw is just handy as hell. I've had it for probably 5 or 6 years. It's just been a little workhorse for me. Now, of course, it has the limitations that, obviously has the limitations that anything cordless has. You're not going to sit there and, you're not going to do huge projects with it, that's for sure. So, right now I'm just kind of tracing out where everything is in here. Because we've got to do a little cutting and cleaning. But yeah, cordless tools are nice. You're doing just, you want to get a few cuts in here and there, boy, they're super handy. I can remember when I was a kid, I told you guys about my uncle quite a bit, and when I was, well, let's see, I would say I was 11, we put a new roof on the house that I grew up in, just him and I, and it was a metal roof, and that house was a super tall old farmhouse. And anyway, the first drill, cordless drill I ever got to see was the Makita Makita 9-volt. I remember somebody had, I think it was like a 14.4 volt DeWalt also, but why this building looks like it does. Just watch what I just did there. One more. So I should have paid attention when I was tossing in, huh? Fits the first time. I always like when that happens. That's quite the cut right there. You guys can see that. We've got to go around the post here, the queen post, and around the brace. Let's see how we did. This doesn't fit. I'm blaming Thomas Russell. Yeah, it's not going to fit. Got to cut a notch out of this one too. Did not account for that one. Aha, nice tight fit. Of course, apparently I can't mark stuff worth a shit. Okay, let's get the annoying old, get this guy out here. Alright, let's give her one for the Gipper. Get this damn thing done. Oh, you dead son of a bitch. There's the problem with cordless. Fits like a broken rubber. Brilliant. Well, that was another good night. Boy, we're getting more and more good nights out here. Boy, psychologically, just having something to stand next to get warm. Even though, I mean, it's quite cold in here, but up by the ceiling, it's nice. So I'll probably do some fans in here. A few suggestions in the comments, which are always welcome. But definitely probably should do a couple ceiling fans. You can tell by the GoPro footage, it's actually quite tall on this floor. It's taller to the peak in here than it is to the floor joist downstairs. And we are, well, I believe it's 12 foot to the top of the tie beams from down below. So it's like 13 or 14 foot to the top in here. But anyway, I really can't believe the metal's actually warm to the touch up there. I cannot believe this thing is not condensating and raining on us. It really should be. I mean, it kind of defies all logic, but we're going to get back to insulating. I hate insulating, but we got to do it. So we're going to be at least getting this top part done. We're going to get the eave walls done. I said that in the last video. That's probably all we're going to be able to do for this year, for this winter. And then after that, hopefully before next winter, we can pony up and get the rest of it, finish this roof. I tell you, there won't be much videoing out here when it rains because, at least upstairs, because it's quite loud, which we knew it would be. You're just a big steel drum out there. But anyway, the topic of this video tonight is just, and like I said earlier, I try to avoid doing this too much because opinions are like assholes. Everybody's got one, and there's so many tool videos out there on YouTube. I mean, there's no shortage of it. But this guy right here, it's my 18-volt DeWalt jigsaw. It is one of the handiest damn things I own. It is extremely handy. This thing has just been, it's been phenomenal. You know, we had to do some notching around things tonight. 1-inch boards is perfect. I mean, cordless, I wouldn't want to go much over 1-inch boards on it, but we'll be using it again too when we're going to be doing another door latch video, but we're going to do it a little differently than the one we did downstairs, so you guys will have to tune in for that one. But anyway, also, like I said, we hit 20,000 tonight. Thank you so much, guys. Everybody who's been watching, tuning in, all you regular viewers and all the ones who are just seeing this for the first time. Just phenomenal. I'm super happy to be there. You know, we made pretty good time getting to 20,000. I tell you what, that last 1,000 was dragging. Holy cow, did that seem to take forever to get to 20. Especially since, you know, I think probably from October on, we were picking up about 1,000 new viewers a month, which was pretty cool, pretty good for this channel. And so anyway, I just want to thank everybody. You guys are awesome. You know, everybody takes the time to comment and takes the time to subscribe. I really appreciate it. You guys, I've said it in many videos in the past. You guys built this barn for me pretty much. The revenue that I've generated off of videos and everything else, it goes right back into this project. You know, it's not fast revenue, but it really does help quite a bit. And I'm not in it just for the money, but that really does help. I mean, you spend so many nights in front of the computer editing till all hours of the morning, then drag your ass to work the next day, and then do it all over again just about every day for the last 2 years. It's starting to pay off. It's starting to grow. It's going somewhere, and it is super appreciated. I just don't have enough good to say. You know, you guys who've bought channel t-shirts and stuff like that, and just, it's nice. We really appreciate it. Everybody who helped us out when I was hurt and down, super appreciated. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll quit yakking your ear off. You guys have a good night, and I'll catch you on the next one.